Hi there, my name is Lucas and I'm a customer specialist here at Walser Nissan Burnsville. Today we'll be taking a look at the new 2022 Nissan Altima, which will be Nissan's entry into the mid-size sedan segment. The vehicle will come with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which produces 182 horsepower, and the miles per gallon on this will be 30 for really good fuel efficiency in a mid-size sedan. This will send power through our continuously variable transmission, or more commonly referred to as the CVT, and that will send power straight into the all-wheel drive drivetrain that's available on the Altima. Another thing that's on this vehicle, standard on the SV is what we're looking at today, is Nissan Safety Shield 360. So it's going to be a suite of 6 safety technologies available. A lot of them due in part to that camera at the top of the windshield in the front. And so that's going to be responsible for your intelligent lane intervention that's available, automatic emergency braking in the front, intelligent cruise, lots of really good stuff in that package from Nissan. So moving along to the side here, we'll kind of take a look at some of the styling. This particular model will come with 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. And then on the side view mirrors, on the higher trim level, you'll notice there'll be cameras mounted on the sides as well as the front, pairing with the backup camera for our intelligent around view monitor, which is really nice to give you spatial awareness and kind of give you a bird's eye view of what's going on around the vehicle as you're parking. It does come with intelligent climate control with our remote start system. So when you remote start the vehicle, it can sense the temperature outside and then automatically heat or cool the cabin to counteract that and make sure you're comfortable as soon as you step in. And then on the chrome door handles, you'll notice these buttons here. That'll be for our remote keyless entry. So when you walk in, you can unlock and lock the vehicle with the push of that button. Then in the back, open up the trunk here, you can see we have plenty of space. It'll be 15.9 cubic feet in the back before you're able to drop down these levers here, so to expand some of that space if need be. And a few accessories that are on this particular model. We have this cargo organizing tray, which has our emergency road kit, our first aid kit, and a cargo net as well to kind of customize our space in the back, all inside our cargo organizing tray, which has wheels in the back so you can move it and take it out if need be. Last one to mention, accessory-wise, will be our rear chrome bumper protector here. So when you're loading things in and out of the trunk, you won't scratch the paint and kind of start that rust process prematurely. The last thing to note here in the back is going to be our rear sonar system. So you'll notice those 4 circles on the back towards the bottom. That'll be the sonar that allows us to identify large stationary objects behind us as we're backing up, so we don't collide with anything as we're moving into our parking space. Alrighty, that's it for the exterior. Let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look what's going on inside the interior. Taking a look at the interior, this is going to be the SV, so we'll have the cloth interior. Other interiors available will be on the SR. That'll come with a cloth interior with the orange stitching on the sides. And then if you go up to the SL and the Platinum, you'll get leather options as well. On the center console area here by the cup holders, we will have an electronic parking brake, which is standard on the SV. As you move up into the higher trim levels, you will get what's called the automatic brake hold. So that way you can maintain brake pressure without actually keeping your foot on the pedal, which is going to be handy when you're waiting for a train or in a drive-through, things of that nature. And then on the shifter itself, you'll notice a little white button in the back there. That's going to be our sport button. So it gives us a little bit of a change for our transmission and engine behavior. It gives us a little bit more pop in our acceleration when we're driving. And then you'll notice our climate control settings down below. Moving up into the SL and the Platinum, you do have the option to have the dual temperature climate control. So the front passenger and the driver can have different temperatures set if they kind of have a disagreement on what they want to have going on the inside. And then up to our touchscreen, we do have the backup camera available that displays here, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for navigation, which is great on this trim level. Otherwise, when you move up into the SL and Platinum, you do get standard factory navigation system powered by Nissan, as well as Sirius XM satellite radio. And then moving onto the steering wheel here, we have our audio management, our cruise control settings, and then all of our navigation buttons for our advanced drive assist display. So you'll be able to see our emergency brake, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, all that good stuff that'll be housed there that you can turn on or off if you'd like. One thing I should mention is all of the things that you can get on your higher trim levels, such as the SL trim and the Platinum. And those are gonna be your key features like heated seats, heated steering wheel, a Bose premium audio system, sunroof up above, and then last but not least, our ProPILOT Assist technology, which is a really great way to pair the intelligent cruise control that's gonna slow you down to maintain a following distance, as well as steering assist will actually help you stay centered in your lane and nudge the wheel and help you steer as well. All right, and then taking a look at the back seat here, plenty of legroom. As you can tell, I'm about 6'1", 6'2", very spacious, very comfortable back here. We also have two charging ports, our Type-C and our regular USB port. That Type-C is gonna help us transmit data and charge our phone a little bit faster. And then you'll also notice we have some cup holders in the form of an armrest back here as well. All right, so this is a look at the new 2022 Nissan Altima in gunmetallic gray with the SV trim level here. We got 7 available different colors and then 2 trim levels above this one in the form of the SL and the Platinum if you do want some more features that this one didn't have. Otherwise, you do have some packages available like the SV Premium package, which gives you some great features without you having to actually go all the way up to the SL for various reasons for price and leather interior and things of that nature. Again, my name is Lucas, and I'm a customer specialist here at Walser Nissan Burnsville. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, you can visit our website at walsernissan.com. Thanks so much for watching.